Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Guys, you can see I'm in the laundry aisle at DG. I am going to show you guys a laundry deal that you can do this week, any day this week. Doesn't matter what day you do it. But if you do it on a Saturday, it is $5 cheaper. I'm not doing mine on Saturday. I'm not waiting because you guys know I do not like Dollar General on Saturdays. For some reason, something always goes wrong, or it's just overly crowded, or the products are sold out. It's just always something. So I'm going to do my deal today, Sunday, that also ensures that a lot of the products are in stock and I'm able to do this deal. But if I were you, I would do this deal as early as possible anyways, because it is a glitch. And we don't know how long it's going to last. You guys know that when we have a glitch, it could last for an hour, it could last for days, it could last for a week, it could last until the coupons expire. We never know. So I'm not going to take that chance of it not being available on Saturday, so I'm going to go ahead and do it now. So before I turn the camera around, guys, hit that subscription button so that you get notified every time I put up a new video. And if you're watching me on Facebook, just hit that follow button. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to turn my camera around. The only thing you need to do this deal is your Dollar General app. So get a paper, a pencil, some pens, take some notes, because I want to make sure you get the right products and you're using the right coupons, because it is easy to get things mixed up. And, excuse me, make sure that you take good notes, because if you are a beginner, it is very easy to mess this deal up or mess the products up or forget to clip your coupons. You have to clip your coupons before you head to the register and put your phone number in. Okay, guys, so the deal that we're going to do is a laundry deal, but we're going to make sure that we get our total up to $30. And the reason being is because this coupon came out today. Spend $10, spend $30, and save $10. Now, let me show you something. This says $10 off when you purchase $30 or more on all P&G laundry products. Must buy 4 forms of Procter & Gamble fabric products in the same transaction: detergent, liquid enhancer, sheets, beads, etc. Now, like I said, there is a glitch with this, and I'm going to show it to you shortly. But let's grab our products first, okay? So the first item that I'm going to grab is going to be these Tide Ultra Oxy pods. They are $15.95. It is the 43 count, okay? That's the one I'm grabbing. Now, again, there's a lot of different products that are included in this deal that you can get. You do the deal the best way for you, whatever suits your family best or your buyers or whatever, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab this Tide Pod. You see it is $15.95, and there is a $4 digital coupon that attaches. And you see it is part of the spend 30, get $10. So when you scan your items, just make sure that that spend 30, save 10 is attaching, okay? So this is the first item I'm going to grab. Now, the second item that I'm going to grab is going to be some more Tide Pods, but it's not going to be the big bag, like the big barrel box, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I'm going to grab the small bags that are $5.50. You can either get this one, the purple bag, or the blue one. I'm going to get the blue one, okay? Now, when you scan this into your app, you will see that it's $5.50. Always verify your price. There's no other digital coupon attaching except for the spend 30, get $10 back. But that's fine, because we're still going to have an excellent deal. Now, let's go back to this big thing of pods, because you might be saying, well, how can you use 2 coupons on one product? I thought you could only use 1 coupon at a time. Well, the reason I can use 2 coupons on this product is because one is a Dollar General store coupon and one is a manufacturer coupon. you can stack a manufacturer coupon with a store coupon. So the $4 off the pods is a digital manufacturer coupon. The spend 30, get $10 off is a Dollar General store coupon. And you can see right there where it says Dollar General, that means that it is a store coupon. Okay, so now we have $15.95 and we have $5.50. So we're still not up to our $30 threshold. So we're going to grab another item, okay, which is going to be some some bounce dryer sheets. So I'm going to grab these bounce dryer sheets right here that are 240 count, and I'm going to scan them into the app so that you can see, verify the price again as always, and also so that you can see that the spend 30 get 10 is attaching. So there you see they're $9.95. There's the spend 30 get 10, and there is a $3 digital coupon. Again, we can use both of them because the top one is a manufacturer coupon and this one is a store coupon. Okay, so as you can see, these are the 3 items that we're going to get, and we're going to have $17 worth of digital coupons come off. Our total is going to be $31.40. We're going to have $17 worth of digital coupons that come off. So I'm going to head up to the register. Then I'm going to go back into the car and share my receipt with you so that you guys can see that everything works out. Now, you're going to say to me, well, why is this a glitch? I'm going to show you why this is a glitch. On this coupon, it says you have to buy 4 products, right? We're only getting 3. It also says you have to buy 1 of each. You have to buy a fabric softener, a detergent, a beads, and a sheet. Well, we're getting 2 pods and some sheets. So that's why it's a glitch, because it is working a different way than what it was intended to work. So let's head up to the register and let's see what our out-of-pocket is. Okay, guys, so I'm back in the car and everything worked out fabulous. So let's go over our receipt. So there you see the bounce dryer sheets for $9.95. The store discount is $2.84 on that. Where you see all the store discounts, that is going to add up to $10. That's to spend 30, get $10 off. There is the $3 digital coupon for the bounce dryer sheets. There's my Tide, the big thing of Tide Pods for 43 count, $15.95. Store discount of $4.89, and the $4 digital coupon came off of that. There's the small bag of Tide Pods for $5.50, store discount of $2.27. And remember, I didn't have a digital coupon for that, okay? So my total was $14.40. So that verifies right there that the digital coupon for spend 30, get 10 is a glitch. I saved a total of $17, guys. That's more than 50% off. So go out and do this deal before they fix it. Come back and let me know how you made out. And until the next time, keep on saving.